How I got my fat ass into this crawl space is beyond me. It is tighter than a nun's ass crack. It is super tight in there. One of the smallest freaking crawl spaces I've ever gotten into. This is not a job for anyone who's claustrophobic. All right, guys, today we're going to be replacing a sink drain line. It is obviously cast iron, and it is 1.5 inches. As we all know, we have to expand that 1.5 inches to 2 inches by code. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. As you can tell, the entrance is disgusting. It is super tight, tighter than a nun's fart. So we're going to have to squeeze our fat ass in there and find a way, because this is what plumbers do. We always find solutions. All right, this is the section we're going to be replacing. Obviously, the cheap owner did not want to replace the Y, just literally 10 feet of cast iron. So we're going to do our best. As you can tell, the saw, our Milwaukee battery-powered saw is a freaking beast. But even this was way too big for the crawl space. I had to angle cut this because there was literally no space, guys. And in the middle of this, the dang blade broke off on me, which meant I had to go in reverse and get the hell out and go get my Milwaukee blades. All right, as you can tell, Milwaukee blades are the top of the line when it comes to cutting cast iron, at least in my personal opinion. You guys might have a different perspective on that, but these cut like butter. I was just testing out the other blades, and they're shit. As you can tell, this is the reason why we don't use cast iron anymore. It is metal, it corrodes with time, and everything just sticks to the surface. So, if you're ever having a backup, good luck trying to put a stake through this because it won't pierce through. This is the reason why we use ABS nowadays. ABS, as you can tell right there, does not deteriorate. It lasts forever if installed properly. And we're using our no-hug couplings to install a ABS adapter and then use ABS all around to the other end right there. All right, so that's exactly what we're doing right there. I would have replaced the whole thing, including the Y and the riser that comes from the sink, but I'm not the owner, so it is what it is. I can't argue with them. Here we're putting in the last no-hug coupling on the pipe, and after that, it is cranky time. We're going to crank it with a ratchet, ensure that it is stable and in very working condition. We're going to run the water afterwards to ensure there is no leaks. Remember, when you're using the ratchet, you have to crank that all the way until you hear a clicking noise on both ends. Once you do that, you know you've done the job correctly. And all that left to do is run the water, make sure there's no leaks, and collect that check, baby. Look at that space, dude. There's no space down here. I hate crawl spaces like this. But what does this mean? It means that you could charge more. Because someone like me, who's 5'9" and weighs 180, could barely squeeze through here. Peace.